Thank you so much for welcoming me home, Kitchener Waterloo, more importantly. And just big shout out to the people that are making this possible and all the businesses that are sponsoring this night. And then a huge shout out as well to Good Company Productions who put all this on, and to my boy Ahmed who helped us all get set up. And there's a whole other side of any band that most people don't get to see, and we had the pleasure of meeting those guys today and becoming friends with those guys, and they're all down here. They're the best, so big shout out to everyone that's put this on. Thank you so much for welcoming me. We got one more song for you guys, and then I shall bid you good night, but we'll be out in the front. I don't have any merch or anything, but come find me on Spotify if you want. My name's Sam Drysdale. This is my amazing band, and thank you one more time. This last song is called Any Other Season. Why do you always leave me at the times when I need you most? You could pick any other season. You sure got a funny way of showing that you love me. Best friends don't leave over the phone. Is this the short or the fifth time? It don't matter when the truth is I could probably take it back, and that's my fault. Oh, I try to make it easy, just be the rock between your legs. I just kind of thought one day you'd see me. For once, you just might wanna stay out. Why do you always leave me at the times when I need you most? You could pick any other season, but you don't. It's those guys when I'm only sleeping, 'cause I believe at least I'm yours. You take good care of reason. Why do you always leave when I need you most? Why do you always leave when I need you most? Why do you always leave when I need you? You sure got a funny way monster, babe. From the comfort of the sweating stove, even 20 years old, that's the way I can hold you. Then I hope it still keeps you up, 'cause you know I'm always a guard. My best friends don't leave over the phone. Oh, I know I wasn't always easy, till I could probably drown in my mistakes. I thought one day